Mm, mm, When the night falls like a shadow and the storms begin to rise, when the weight of fear surrounds me and I can't hold up the skies, I remember who you are, the one who never turns away. You are steady, you are faithful, you are near when I pray. No one can separate me from you. Not the darkness, not the grave, not the pain I've been through. Your love is stronger, your arms are true. No one can separate me from you. Oh, when the world tries to break me and the lies scream in my ear, you whisper peace into the chaos and your voice drives out the fear. You have written me in mercy, you have called me by my name. Every promise you've spoken will forever stay the same. No one can separate me from you. Not the darkness, not the grave, not the pain I've been through. Your love is stronger, your arms are true. No one can separate me from you. Neither life nor death nor the power of hell could tear me away from the love you tell. Heaven and earth will fade away, but your love remains the same. No one can separate me from you. Every battle, every storm, you will carry me through. Your love unshaken,